welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing 4 different Valentine's decorations from the dollar store. I wanted to make sure that they were nice and fancy and you would never guess any of these are from the dollar store. So I'm really excited to be showing them to you. Hopefully you like them. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and comment what other videos you want to see. Let's get into it. 4 jars. Yes, there's only 3 here, but you really need 4. Floral foam, floral moss, circle foam, floral foam, scissors, X-Acto knife, skewers, pencil or pen, rose gold spray paint, dressmaker pins, and hot glue gun. So take our jars and spray paint them so they can be dry and while you're doing the rest. So from here, we'll start cutting out the letters. If you want to get a stencil, you can, or you just can draw them out, and then you get an X-Acto knife and cut it out. So from there, we're just going to put some hot glue onto here, and then you start putting the moss on top of it, and just keep adding it until you fill in all the holes. So now I'm just taking the bigger thing of floral foam and I'm going to just be cutting it up into pieces that you can kind of fit into your little jars. Just enough in there that will hold in a skewer. So from here we're going to take the skewers, cut them down to the same size and the right height you want. We'll stick it into the letters, put it into that foam that you make sure that it will fit in, and then we'll just hot glue some floral moss onto it, and then you have your hedge finished. Rose petals, foam heart, and dressmaker pins. All you're going to do is take your foam heart, get a little petal and a pin, stick the pin through the middle of the petal, and then just start sticking them in randomly into your heart, and you can do them really close together, fill them in until you have your whole heart finished. Foam heart, plastic roses, and hot glue gun. So all you're going to do is take the bottom stem off of your rose and then put a little glue onto that and then stick it into your heart and just keep filling that in until it is full and you have a nice pretty looking heart. Plastic roses, floral moss, baby's breath, a vase, and heart table scatters. So we'll just keep adding in the heart and the moss randomly into your vase, and then from there you can put the roses in, the baby's breath, and just add it in until you have a nice little floral selection. Thank you for watching. I hope you loved this video as much as I did. I love making it. I love Valentine's decorations. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what next videos you want to see. And if you're new, please subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day, great night. Bye. I love you.